Good day, meteorologist DT here with a short-term update and talking about our Memorial Day weekend forecast. So I thought there's much to talk about, and a lot of people have plans. A lot of states opening up this weekend, so I thought I'd do a short-term video here. You can see what's going on. First, I do want to remind you again that this particular weekend, which is an important weekend, Memorial Day weekend is one of the big forecasts for the year. There's this Christmas, there's Thanksgiving, there's July 4th, Memorial Day, Labor Day, that sort of thing. So this is a pretty big, start to the summer season. And like I said, a lot of people have plans, a lot of organizations, businesses have plans. Unfortunately, half of the Memorial Day weekend is going to be in the crapper. So, if you get the 3-week newsletter, you probably knew about this from last week. I've been talking about this threat for 2 weeks now. So hopefully you're not caught by surprise and you're able to alter your plans. If not, again, it's only a $5 investment, and you can save your summer weekends. You don't have to go through this crap. So, and just even yesterday, day before, well, I guess Wednesday, NWS, local, the smart weather phones, the smart apps are all going 30% chance of showers, 40% chance of showers. That's not what's going to happen. All right, it's going to be a lot more than just showers. So let's get to this, okay? First, here's our radar. And here at midday, and you can see at noon, there's our front moving through low pressure area. It's crossing the Appalachian Mountains, getting into West Virginia, Western Maryland, steady rain in northern Pennsylvania, western New York State, eastern Great Lakes, and then up into Ontario, and Toronto, and London, those places, Kingston. And then, of course, we have the showers and storms in central Kentucky as well. So, and of course, we can zoom in here. Very nice radar here. And you can see individual cells developing. And the front is going to weaken some as it crosses the Appalachians and then pick up some intensity as it goes through. So if we take a look at the overall scale of things, now this here is a 12Z GFS, and we can see what the system is doing. There's the low pressure area in Ohio. It drives into, mid-Atlantic, bringing significant steady rain this evening and tonight into most of Virginia and Maryland and Delaware and Pennsylvania and New Jersey and New York State and West Virginia and western North Carolina. And then the first low moves off the coast, for Saturday. But then a second wave develops. See the second wave forming here in western North Carolina, and that continues to rain for most of Saturday in Maryland, Delaware, Virginia, northern North Carolina. Maybe even portions of eastern West Virginia. So, and on top of that, we got that high over Lake Superior. You see this high here? So it gives you a north wind, and the temperatures collapse. And so Saturday is going to be just an awful day for, late May, relatively speaking. And the temperatures stay chilly right into Sunday. And it looks like we will see some improvement on Sunday, so we'll get to that in just a second. So let's take a look at the models, how this is shaping up here. So this here is our NAM model, and you can see how it just as I roll the screen here this afternoon. This is a 3 o'clock this afternoon, and then this here is, look at this, by 5 p.m., 6 p.m., big line of storms pushing into central Virginia, Farmville, Richmond, up towards Fredericksburg, into D.C., the first line of storms. Then there's a gap in the Piedmont and another line of showers and storms and steady rain in West Virginia and Pennsylvania and Southwest Virginia, eastern Kentucky. So then we get a consolidation of the lines here. This is early Saturday morning, 3 a.m. Mostly central and eastern Virginia. Notice here at 7 a.m. Saturday, a lot of the Shenandoah Valley, this western, southern Piedmont, central and western North Carolina, western Virginia, they're not getting much rain at this point. They're just overcast. All right, but then the wave develops, the second wave develops on North Carolina. Here comes the next round, Saturday afternoon. So what this means is that if you are in interior, let's say if you're west of Interstate 95 in Maryland, okay, or western and central Pennsylvania, so western and central Maryland, West Virginia, the Virginia Piedmont, the Shenandoah Valley, most of North Carolina, southwest Virginia, West Virginia, eastern Kentucky, that sort of thing. Saturday morning through the midday hours, it looks okay. Overcast, but not rain. So if you got plans, you have to get stuff done, that's the time to do it. Now the next part of the system develops here with the rain and storms on Saturday afternoon. You can see that in developing in the southern Virginia Piedmont, northern North Carolina Piedmont, spreading into all of central Virginia, steady rain. I don't think this is thunderstorm. This is just all rain. This is just moderate to steady rain. You'll see why in a second. And it looks pretty significant Saturday night into Sunday. You can see that very nicely here. And then by Sunday morning, with the most of the rain is lifting north, Winchester and Martinsburg, maybe north of Harrisonburg, D.C., to Baltimore, southern Maryland. Still some showers in eastern Virginia, northern neck, central Virginia, Richmond, Hampton Roads, but it clears out. So by Sunday morning, 7 a.m., it's pushed up to the north. And now by Sunday afternoon, we're okay. Things clear out here, and I'll show you that in just a second. So here we go. Look at our temperatures. Now let me show you what happened to temperatures. So we're pretty warm now. You can see that we're 90 in Richmond. 7 north this afternoon in DC has already dropped into the 70s with the rain. Now here comes the rain. That's fine. But look at these temperatures Saturday morning. Look what happens. This is Saturday morning, 2 a.m. See the front right along the Pennsylvania North Carolina border. So DC is 65 degrees, and let's say Manassas is 69, but Hagerstown is 51. This front is going to collapse. Look at this. It just drives southward. So Saturday morning, look at the temperature. 70 degrees Saturday morning, 8 a.m. in Richmond, 71 degrees. All right. By 11 a.m. noon, it's 55. And it continues to drop. By Saturday, 2 o'clock, it's 52. Are you kidding me? 53 degrees? Wow. Okay, and then by Saturday, 7 p.m. Saturday, look at 6 p.m., 51, 53 in Richmond. Are you kidding me? 50 in D.C. on May 29th with a north wind. Charlottesville, 52. Roanoke, 57. Patuxent River, 50. Salisbury, 54. Are you kidding me? And their front keeps driving south. Look at the temperatures at Raleigh, 82, 76. Wham! Back down to the 50s by Saturday evening, Saturday afternoon. By Saturday at 4 o'clock, it's 59 degrees and 57 degrees in Raleigh and Greensboro. Are you kidding me? Look at the temperatures in Farmville, 49 on Saturday afternoon, May 29th. I'm sorry. I'm impressed. You may not be impressed. I'm impressed. I think that, this is, so now, okay, so now we're in the evening hours. You can see Saturday evening, I should say, 48 degrees, and temperatures collapse. We get to 49 in Richmond, 46, mid 40s in the Shenandoah Valley Saturday night into Sunday morning. Are you kidding me? I'm impressed. I got to tell you, I'm impressed. If it sounds like I'm impressed, I'm impressed. So that now Saturday Sunday we clear out here, but even during the day Sunday, look at these temperatures. Sunday afternoon, 4 or 5 p.m. we're still 55 degrees in Richmond. 65 in Lynchburg, a little warmer there. D.C. is still in the 50s. Are you? Wow. Okay, most of Pennsylvania stays in the 40s. I'm impressed. I got to tell you, I'm impressed. And it's all throughout the whole area. Look at the temperatures collapse here. Saturday. Look at here's the front. Now this region shows us the entire Mid-Atlantic, and you can see the front coming south. Look at Pennsylvania all day Saturday in the 40s, and New Jersey. What a crappy way to go into Memorial Day weekend. I mean, this just sucks. And then, but of course, we need the rain desperately, obviously. And then you can see the temperatures. Look at Ohio. Oh my God, West Virginia. The temperatures collapse. We get, and then Saturday morning, we're 51 in Raleigh, 48 in Richmond, 47 in Charlottesville, 48 in Roanoke. Are you kidding me? 47 in D.C. You even have some 30s in Western Maryland, if you can believe that. I'm impressed. Now, Sunday afternoon, there it is. Again, the temperatures don't go anyplace. Very impressive here. And if we look at the rainfall map, let me see if I call up a good rainfall map in terms of the actual rainfall. We can change this to total rainfall here, and just to give you an idea of what's going on with the rainfall amounts. There we go. And you can see, by the time we get to the end of the event here, this by Sunday morning, you can see the best rains appear to be north of Richmond. Now, the 6Z NAM had the best rains going from Roanoke through Richmond and Fredericksburg into southern Maryland and to Salisbury. Here, this shifted a little bit to the north. So there's some variation. But as you can see, some of these areas, the red is, 2 inches approximately. And the white and the tan blobs in the middle is like 3 or 4 inches. So there's some blobs here. The best rains look like it's going to be Roanoke, Lynchburg, Charlottesville, Lexington, north of Richmond, let's say Fredericksburg, Manassas, Culpeper, Gordonsville, into D.C., Patuxent River, St. Mary's, and into the central Delmarva and central Delaware as well. And then there's a second band in Hampton Roads in northeast North Carolina, anywhere from 1 to 4 inches in isolated amounts there. Total event by the time you get to Sunday morning. And then finally, I think I have the cloud map here. Let me see if I have the clouds of this. I did not pull up the cloud map, but I will here. And you can see that it does clear out on Sunday afternoon. You can see the cloud cover. And the clouds, you can see it really does clear out here. It's saying overcast right up through here. I'll wait for it to load up. And you can see by Sunday, it's at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We have sunny skies in the Piedmont and the Shenandoah Valley. It is cleared out here. And then it's clearing out, it's spreading eastward so that by the evening hours, we do have sunshine, in the afternoon. So things will be improving on Sunday. But again, the north wind, the high pressure, we're not going to see any temperatures. The best then, Memorial Day looks great. I got to tell you, Memorial Day looks sunny, 75, 80 degrees. Everybody have a good time. But I'll tell you, tonight into Saturday night, into early Sunday morning, not good. Not good at all. Anyway, I hope that this information is useful to you. This is meteorologist DT from Weather Risk. I'll see you on the Facebook page, on the Twitter page, and on the website.